Okay.
All right, this is me in the morning at 6:30 in the morning. I just finished my sleep study, so when you guys get this done, this is what you're going to look like. So don't let it, like, you get all wired up, and we're all taken care of, and I'm going to wake up here in a few minutes, get a shower, get a cup of coffee, and then we're ready to go. So this is what it's going to look like. This is what you're going to see. It's basically harmless, and then they start getting your results and take a look at what's going on with your body, your brain, your breathing, your sleeping, your resting, and then they have the ability to take a look at, is there any onset of early neurological diseases that supposed to affect people 30 years later, but because of the head trauma and the injuries, it affects ball players sooner. And that's part of the problems that we're going to crack the code of and that we're going to solve. Okay, talk to you later.